Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Siddharth Naya and you're watching That Car Guy. In today's video, we're going to check out the Ambi. Yes, this has been a very long time video in the making. Essentially, I had one ambassador which turned out to be full of rust. Those were the part 1, 2 and 3 and 4 which you have seen on my channel. If you haven't, please do check them out. And I got that car replaced and this is my new Ambi. This has been worked on extensively for the past 1.5 years and finally she's almost done. The interior and all are completely finished. The paintwork, everything is done. This car used to be white, now it's black. And it's been a journey, guys. It's been a hell of a journey. But in this video, I'm going to show you what all has been done to this car. And I'm going to show you a before and after of what this car looks like. Guys, here she is. This is my Ambi. And doesn't she look gorgeous? Just take a step back and just admire the sheer road presence this car has. I mean, people still look at this car and their heads turn. They come up to me and ask me which year this car is. They just want to know what this car is all about. And I do understand why, because you don't see many Ambis like these on the road. Most of them are rusted out in really poor condition, but this has been worked on for the past 1.5 years to get it to where it stands now. A lot of time, love and labor has gone into this car and it shows. It is really jaw-dropping and gorgeous. So let's start off from the front. The grille and the bumpers and the headlight surrounds all have been re-chromed. These came with the car as original, just re-chromed and just brightened the whole front fascia of the car. The fog lights, I got them installed aftermarket, and these are LEDs and these are 10 times brighter than the headlights. At night it just lights up the road like crazy. And the headlights, the indicators, all the light elements on this car are brand new. It just gives it that extra pop. When you see the car, everything looks so fresh. Now this Ambassador has the most desirable engine and gearbox combination, that is the 2-liter Isuzu Diesel engine with the 5-speed Isuzu gearbox. This was in this car from day one, like the factory. This is how the car rolled out of the factory back in Calcutta. And nothing has been changed, although I did get the engine fully serviced. I don't mean an oil change and an oil filter change. The engine was stripped apart, completely machined. New pistons, new valves, and God knows it's a big list, but this engine is running perfectly. It idles so smoothly and the power and the torque is fantastic for an Ambassador of this age because everything is brand new inside the engine. This car also suffered a very classic Ambassador issue where the engine would heat up when you hit traffic. Like if there's no wind flowing through here, the car would heat up. So I got that resolved by changing the fan, and now this car has a fan from a Tempo Traveler van. It's a big unit, but it cools down the car, and this car has never heated after this has been installed. So to the side, well, this car is, the body wise, it's fantastic because there are no rust patches anymore. There used to be over here on the wheel well and stuff, but everything has been addressed. Everything is done back to the period correct style. I didn't want to go modify this car in any way. I just wanted a car. I just wanted an Ambassador the way it rolled out of the factory 10-12 years back in black. This would have been exactly that car. And the wheels, again, nothing too fancy. I didn't go for alloy wheels or anything this time. If you know, my older car had alloy wheels, and I just didn't like the look personally. This looks so nice. We got new tires, fresh tires, 185/65 15s, and I got these wheels repainted in silver. That's a hyper silver color which you find in normal alloy wheels, and I got new chrome caps all around just to tie in that fresh look. And everything from the door beadings, the door chromes, everything is brand new. The door handles are brand new, the mirrors are brand new, the door rubbers, the window rubbers are all brand new. I'm missing an antenna over here. I just can't seem to find one, but that's coming soon. Now coming to the back, we have new chrome elements over here. These are all brand new. A new gas cap, new hood latches, again new rubbers for the back window, and new badging, of course, new chrome number plate light holder, new grand style tail lights, and again this was the original bumper which I got re-chromed. We have a small exhaust pipe, all factory items. We are missing one mud flap, so that is the negative. These are small things I'm trying to find, because finding parts for this car is a big pain, but boy is it worth it. Once everything is done, the car just looks so stately and just so majestic. You can drive this car anywhere on the road and people will turn their heads and look at it, and they'll give you a thumbs up occasionally. They might stop you and ask you, what is this car like, which year, which model, which engine is this car running, all sorts of questions. People do still carry a lot of love for the Ambassador. It's not the most practical car in the world, but hey, once it's done up like this, it is just magnificent. Now these are the interiors which I got for this car. It's in this dark burgundy red color, which in my opinion looks fabulous, and it reminds me of a sort of a pseudo Bentley inspired design. But these seats mainly are out of a first generation Honda CR-V, and these were very tough to like get fitted into this car, because you had to make brackets, specific custom made brackets, and a lot of wizardry went into putting these two seats over here. But the plus point of the Gen 1 CR-V seat was this foldable armrest / cup holder arrangement. You can fold this away. There's a lever over here. Yeah, that can be done, but I like to keep this in the upright position, and it just fills out this big void. Normally the Ambassador Grands all came with a big center console. This car, being a Ambassador Classic, doesn't have any of that. It has this super long gear knob with very long throws. So hence this is a very nice solution, and a lot of people who see this car out on the road do genuinely come up and ask me, like, where did you get this? Is it custom made? A lot of questions regarding this center console over here, but this is out of a Gen 1 Honda CR-V. Basically this thing bolts onto the driver's seat, as you can see over there, and yeah, this comes with the driver's seat. So getting a pair of Honda CR-V seats definitely helped, and it also came with armrests on both sides. That's pretty handy. These seats were around 12,000 rupees before the upholstery and stuff. Those were just the fabric seats, and I got the pseudo leather to match and just tie down everything. The headliner is from, it's basically stock. It's from the original car itself. All the original buttons and everything are all over here. It was in pretty good condition, needed a cleanup, so I got it done. And the visors and all are everything stock ambi. And yeah, surprisingly there's no armrests in the back. It's just fixed in place. But overall the cabin is in ambi standards very nice. I did get all of these door locks replaced with brand new ones. Again, a diamond stitch pattern on the door pads, both in the front and back. And over here I just got a normal unlock lock from Amazon and just stuck it on there just to give it that old nostalgic vibe. We have a head unit over here, again from Amazon, very unknown brand, but it does the job really nicely because it has Bluetooth connectivity. I can pick up calls, stream music wirelessly and all of that good stuff. It is absolutely fantastic, although I'd never heard of this brand before, but it has decent sound quality, and I did put 2 JBL speakers on the back over there. It's a pretty nice addition, and the whole setup didn't cost much, but the output was fantastic. And again, AC controls over here. Now these came with the car. It didn't do anything. This car had AC from the factory, so that was a very good option. And the steering, again, the slim Hindustan Motors steering wheel, which we are all familiar with. The Contessas, the Ambassadors all had this steering wheel, although I'm missing the center logo over here. I need to find that. The AC vents and all. The AC is super cold, by the way. Very nice. And all of these switches and all the lights, the wipers, everything works. This car still has the factory key from Hindustan Motors. And pretty original car, because like I said, the first car I had was not in the best of shape and I had to work around a lot to get it done. But this car, from the base car, was pretty good, so it was easy modifying this car. So guys, this was the Ambassador video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do write in the comment section, what did you think? Should I make some other modifications? Should I change bits of this car? Do let me know. If you have any questions regarding the build, please do again write in the comment section. I will answer them happily. It's been a long time coming because I wanted to finish this car and show it to you in all its glory rather than the car being in bits and pieces. So now I am proud, I'm happy to share this with you. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like this video, share this video with your friends, family and Ambassador enthusiasts alike. And do subscribe guys if you're new to this channel, because there's a lot more good stuff coming up really soon. We'll catch you pretty soon with another video guys. Till then, goodbye and God bless.